Howdy folks, Chris the Lawn and Life, back for another video. It's been right at about a week and a half since I did the summer scalp.
Me.
Or the pre-summer scalp.
Me.
What you got to say?
Hello.
So it's been right at a week and a half. Say hey.
Hello.
Let's try this again. It's been right at a week and a half since I did the Bermuda scalp. I did it on the first day of summer. So I wanted to give you an update. I've actually already cut it once since I've done that. This will be the second cut since I did the scalp. So let's give you some video and see where we're at with progress. So it's looking pretty decent. Coming back. Let's get an angle from over here. Still got some brown from where it hasn't filled back in yet, but it's coming back. And then front yard where I scalped it, it looks actually a little bit better. Yes, also like I said, I've cut it once. This will be the second cut since I scalped it. And then today is Thursday. Last Monday I did a light dose of Grub X. I put down right at a quarter pound per 1,000, so just a very light dose. So I'm not wanting to just overstress it and over push it right now when it's starting to get really hot and humid. I'm actually probably going to order some X Grn in the next couple of days, see how that does. So right now we're going to get in a Thursday night, weeknight mow job and just enjoy the mow and just take it all in. Here's how she looks after the cut. She's coming back, don't you worry. And here's an update over here for this spot that I've talked about several times. It's filling in pretty nice. I think it has a lot to do with the Hydretain. Hopefully, I'd say maybe by the end of July, mid-July, should be almost all the way filled in. Over there it's a little bit more brown from where it's scalped, but it'll be fine. Once again, the reason I scalped is Bermuda, it likes to be low. Cut it really short. I was keeping it about 1.5, 1.75 because I really got some uneven spots in my lawn and need some leveling, but I got a lot of rain, so it was getting up to around a little over 2 inches, so I was starting to get the brown underneath the green crowns, because the Bermuda grass blades are not green all the way down. It's just green a little bit at the top, and then it gets brown towards the bottom. So that's why Bermuda want to keep it short. So what I did is I scalped it down, and I'm trying to keep it. I'm gonna try to keep it 1 to 1 1/4. Next year I'm gonna do some leveling, so I can try to get 1 inch or a little bit less than that. Really, you can't really go much lower than 1 inch with just a rotary mower. So I'm gonna try to keep it about 1 1/4 now. If I get any lower than that, most of my yard I can get cut fine, but there's some uneven spots that scalps, and I just don't want to have to deal with those spots all the time. So
Like that?
exactly, like right there. So 1 1/4, and then next year we'll do a leveling video and try to keep it about 1 inch. Anyway, guys, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a comment, thumbs up, thumbs down if you like or dislike the video, either one. I really appreciate y'all watching. I think I'm up to almost about
250 subscribers.
No, it's like 216. Over exaggerating, just like every other man.
Yesterday was 214.
It's like 216 now. Anyway, 200 people are watching me cut grass. That's amazing to me. So I really appreciate the support. This is Chris with Elon in Life. God bless. Everybody stay safe.
Running.
Oh, the burn.
Yeah. Your legs will start burning. Stand up for a while.
Other way. I'm too old for this.
All down here.
What you think?
It's fun.
At least we're downhill.